ATMs per month. Consumers have slammed this particular move of the RBI and have asked an immediate rollback and say that ATMs are only for a convenient purpose and these kind of measures are only counterproductive. In Chennai, with video journalist Arun Ramsamy, Lokpriya News X.
It's not at all. It's totally unfair on consumers because per day they also withdraw money. For many reasons, for many purpose, and at many times. So it definitely defeats the purpose and time of the consumers.
It's completely ridiculous because you cannot expect people to carry cash in their hands all the time. So they prefer ATM for all the time. Almost like 5 times a month is too unfair because there are people who withdraw more than 5 times in a day itself. So in a month is completely not fair and part of the RBI's guidelines.
From today, think twice before making that transaction at your ATM, with the RBI now curtailing free ATM transactions. In fact, cross-bank transactions, the limit is now going to be 3, and from the same bank you can withdraw money as many as 5 times. That is the limit now fixed by the RBI, certainly curtailing free ATM transactions, and you're going to be paying rupees 20 per transaction beyond that said limit. At the moment, this move is certainly pinching the customers, in fact, who are queuing up at ATM machines, certainly giving second thoughts about that transaction and, of course, pinching their budget at the moment to withdraw money from their same account. Video journalist Ajit Molly Gambhir in New Delhi for News X.
अगर 25,000 निकालने हैं तो 2 ट्रांजेक्शन मानी गई. अगर ऐसा करके मेरे को ज़्यादा निकालना है पैसा तो फिर मेरा उसमें पैसा कटेगा. तो प्रॉब्लम इतना तो सेविंग में भी नहीं मिलता. 3-3.5% ये सेविंग में देते हैं, जबकि जब 7 बार 10 बार तो होना चाहिए, कम से कम 5-7 बार तो होना चाहिए. 8% तो 5 बार है ना, इस समय 5 बार किया इन्होंने. हाँ जी, तो कम से कम 10 बार तो होना चाहिए ये चीज़.
तो ये चीज़ की हमें जो है छूट होनी चाहिए कि हम दूसरे ATM से विड्रॉ कर सकें.
The new RBI policy released on October and somewhere announced in August has now been applicable in the metro cities, among which one of them is Mumbai over here from today, that is 1st November. The policy which clearly says that how more than 5 times not only transactions but then more than 5 times the usage of ATM in your own bank and more than 3 times in other banks. If that exceeds, it will be attracting the rupees 20 fee. Well, the sad part as an add-on to that is it's not only about the money transaction but then also other activities like knowing the balance and getting the mini statement will also lead to the counting of number in that particular 5 number. Well, a kind of anti-customer policy that has come out has also bring in lots of anger among the customers. Not only that, but then certainly it has also, this particular policy has also become a new debate in the country. From Mumbai, with video journalist Kapil Maske, this is Urvashi Kona for News X.
Well, it's a call-in show. We want to know what you think about it. Numbers are flashing at the bottom of the television screen. Do call us in for more on this. Wanda Sebastian will also be joining me, but right now we already have some viewers calling in with their views. Let me go across to Mumbai. So introduce yourself and share with us what you think. Well, Mr. Venugopal, who joins me from Mumbai, if from Delhi, in fact, if you're still with me, pardon me for that, if you're still with me, sir, go ahead.